Okay, so let's move on to reading some music. This is page 300B. So this is a whole tone piece, all whole tones. So first thing I'm going to do is look for patterns, things that will make this easier for me. So I see in my left hand that I'm playing a third and a second always. So a third on top with a second underneath that the whole time. These also fit within the whole tone scale. So measure 1, measure 2, the same. Measure 3, exact same shape. Just move down a step. Then we move back up. Then we move back down. Then we move back up, and we stay there. The fingering here is useful. So 1, 2, 3 on the first, and then 1, 3, 4. Let me show you what that looks like. 1, 2, 3. I just slide my thumb down, and I have the same shape, and I'm just keeping these 3 fingers on here. See the just slight movement it takes to get in between these two chords. Right hand, let's see. Follow the fingerings they give you, but for the first line, you can play everything, just these 4 notes, sticking in that same spot, and then after that, same fingering that you used for the whole tone scale starting on E. Those are just a couple of things I'd be watching for. This one, let's slow down to 75, but no slower than that. Here we go.
1, set, go.
So the biggest thing with playing pieces like this is they just sound entirely strange. I'm sure you will agree with me. So make sure you are aware of the patterns you're playing and that you can play those comfortably, not relying on your ears, because in typical tonal major minor, we're listening for certain cues. For example, movement of from dominant to tonic, as well as leading tone to tonic. Those are things that we can listen to. But in a whole tone scale, there's no really starting or ending place. So make sure you're very comfortable with what you're playing as you go through that.